Hi and welcome to a new video. Are you experiencing problems with your Bluetooth connection? In this video, I will show you the easiest troubleshooting steps to fix Bluetooth when it's not working properly. Let's go. The most common method is to simply deactivate and activate Bluetooth on your iPhone. Open the Control Center, disable Bluetooth, and wait a few seconds before turning it back on. Sometimes your iPhone gets stuck connected to an old Bluetooth device. If that is the case, you can forget that device and connect to the same one again. To do this, open the Settings app. Tap Bluetooth, then press the little I icon beside the device name. Then tap on Forget this device, and it will be disconnected. Later, you can connect all the Bluetooth devices back to your iPhone. Another method you can try is to enable and disable airplane mode. Open the Control Center and enable the airplane mode. Wait for a few seconds before you disable it back. This should also work after you perform a force restart on your iPhone. If your Bluetooth is still not working, you can try to force restart your iPhone. Force restarting your device clears the system from any software glitches that might be causing the problem. To force restart your device, quickly press and release the volume up button. Then do the same for the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side button until the Apple logo comes up. If you own an iPhone 8 or below, there is a different method to force restart your device. Check the tag in the top right or the link in the description below. If the problem still remains, your last resort is to reset your network settings. To do this, go to Settings, then General, and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Confirm by clicking Reset Network Settings, then provide your passcode when prompted. Note that this will reset your network settings, including your previously used Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular, VPN, and APN settings to factory defaults. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.